Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use HubSpot CRM. This beginner-friendly guide will help you get started with HubSpot's powerful tools in just a few minutes, enabling you to manage your contacts, companies, deals, and tickets effectively. First, log in to your account. Once logged in, you'll arrive at the HubSpot home screen, your central hub for accessing all HubSpot functionalities. From here, click on the CRM link to enter the area where you manage customer interactions. If this is your first time, follow the on-screen instructions to set up your account. Configuring your settings will personalize your HubSpot experience and ensure it works best for your business needs. Next, familiarize yourself with the HubSpot dashboard, which provides a clear overview of your CRM setup. Take a moment to explore the sections and tools available, as this will make navigating the platform much easier. Click on Contacts to view, manage, and organize your client, lead, and partner lists. Here you can add new contacts or tailor the list to match your business processes. Adjacent to Contacts is the Company section, which helps you link contacts to their respective organizations, giving you a clear understanding of your customer network. Move on to Deals, where you can track potential sales opportunities. Monitoring deals helps you strategize and improve your conversion efforts. Lastly, explore Tickets, which allows you to manage customer service interactions efficiently, ensuring high customer satisfaction. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can confidently navigate HubSpot CRM, manage your business relationships, and make the most of the platform's features. Regular use will help you master it quickly. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more HubSpot tips and tutorials.